Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm just getting back from Blade Show 2024 in Atlanta and got some really cool things down there. At Blade, it was absolutely packed with people every day. Every time I try to go by this booth, the Big Eye Design, there was just an absolute crowd. And I have no idea what they offered or what they were offering there that had such a large crowd. But finally, at the end of one of the days, I was able to get there, and they were super friendly folks and just more than willing to talk and share ideas and just chat. So absolutely great to meet that crew. Talking to them, huge fan of titanium. I picked up one of their titanium mini bars here, and I always have a titanium something on my keychains, more like a pry bar, because I use them for everything. Checking out their packaging here with this. Light duty prying, material scoring, opening taped packages, prying open bottle caps. It's really handy in a pinch. I mean, who wouldn't like that? So, shameless plug for this. And no, I didn't use scissors to open it. Whoops. We're going to utilize the mini pry bar to open up this mini pen package. And full disclosure, Big Eye Design gave me this pen to review and just said give an honest review. And so you see me, I open it here, and this is my first time checking it out. So thank you for your support. Big Eye Design. Cool. Neat little sticker. Throw that there. Open. All right, spare parts, pretty self-explanatory here. This is their titanium mini pen. Pardon the crunchiness of that wrapper here. Move this out of the way. That is a good looking little pen. Oh, comes a nice little titanium bead as well. Check out the check out the action of the pen. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but I'm going to. Very, very smooth. And of course, this is very lightweight. Seeing this pen, what would I use this pen for? Me, I do a lot of hunting. So I would use this pen in my hiking or hunting packs. Using a pen during hunting is filling out your game tags once you've harvested your critter there. You can either punch your tags or pen. You still got to sign, so this is very important to have a pen. Having a lightweight one that's durable, this is definitely going to make its way into my hiking / hunting packs. Beautiful stonewash design here. Again, it is a twist. Oh, that's the opposite way. Twist clockwise to extend, twist counterclockwise to retract, and let's take it apart. Very nice. Very nice machining. And here's the refill. These refills are a standard D1 type refill. I guess that is a very standard pen. I always just buy regular pens, so this is something newer. I'll have to keep track of this pen. Beautiful piece. So if these are readily available, you should be able to find refills for this anywhere. It says it accepts most D1, so you think when they have a standard, people would manufacture stuff all the same, but they don't. Excellent machine work. Let's write something. Or in our case, let's draw. Big Eye design, I believe this titanium mini pen is an absolute hit. The way it is built, this is going to give a lifetime of use. As long as grade 5 refills are available, this pen will be in use. So thank you so much for believing in me and my channel and taking time to chat during Blade Show. I'm very grateful. If you like what you see here, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, drop me a comment down below and tell me what your favorite features of this Big Eye design titanium pen are. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.